Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you how to turn it and make a YouTube thumbnail with Thumbnail Creator. Editor. It's a app just for making like a thumbnail for your video. You know, those cool ones that are like really cool. They're like colorful and have little things and pictures and whatever. I'm gonna turn that into print, and that print is gonna be my emblem for my channel, Build TV or Build Beyond TV. Technically it's called. Okay, so here's the clip where I use the YouTube thumbnail editor, and I take I take clip from the YouTube emblem, and I take a clip from the Bed Bath Beyond, and I take the Beyond and I clip that onto that picture. All you're really doing at this point is taking and making a picture. We're gonna take that picture and insert it into this program on YouTube. I mean, not on YouTube. It's on a website, and that picture will be turned into an STL file that you can print. Okay, so watch this editor. See how I made my Build TV YouTube emblem, and then I'll continue to the internet website. Okay, so here's what I created in my thumbnail editor. This would basically be the thumbnail for a video, and it will be peace of mind. I just took that, saved it, sent it to my computer on my own, sent the email to myself, and then what I did was I go to this website called selva3d.com, and here you can upload the image, and you can adjust like how sensitive you want it to detect, and the height, like the thickness of it. And once you have it how you like it, you can just, you can adjust it, but it takes a second to load. I'm just going to leave it as is. You'll like it. And then you just click Downloads Standard STL Quality. You're going to save it, STL file. You're going to send it here. I use Slicer because it works really good. I've got 5% fill, standard stuff, solid layers 3 and 2, perimeter 2 perimeters. Also, what I'm doing here is making 2 raft layers right here, and it's going to be white, so that when I print. When the print actually goes on top of the raft, I'm gonna switch to red, so it'll be like red on white, and it'll be clean. And then you just go to here, export it to G code. You'll save it, which I've already have it saved as 777, because I made mine 777% scaled up. Save it, and you send it to your SD card and plug it in the printer. Let's see where the printer's at now. Okay, so here's the raft. I got 2 layers on the raft, and it's going pretty good. It's better than I thought it was going to be. I switched the raft like right there at the top of the triangle. I switched the filament to red at the top, and then it kind of like the nozzle was kind of like melting into it, so I had to like cut it with my snippers and flatten it. But now it's going good, and it's pretty sweet. Well, that's how you do it. I think it's going to be 10 millimeters thick too. And judging by the size
This is 155 millimeters wide. Have a great one.